is Sangeeta Porwal and welcome to my channel Sangeeta's Bonsai and Terrarium. The plant for today is the basil. Basil is used in many ways, in Thai food or to make pesto, pasta, as a garnishing on the salad. And I think the pleasure of growing basil from your own kitchen window would really be good. So today's video is how you can grow and take care of basil. Let's begin. Friends, before we begin, there is a general confusion about basil. So let me clarify that. Normally, three types of basil are there. One is the most common, tulsi, which is there in almost every household for its medicinal and religious benefits. The other is a Thai basil and an Italian basil. The difference between the two is that the Thai basil is a little sturdy, the leaves are nice and strong, and the Italian basil, the leaves are very delicate. So this can be used as topping as well as for cooking. But Italian basil, since the leaves are delicate, is good as garnishing but not as cooking. And today's video we are going to talk about the Thai basil. To grow basil, you can either purchase it from the local nursery or order the seeds online. I will share the link in the comment box, and I'll show you how to grow the basil from seeds. Okay, these are few seeds that I have collected from my basil plant, and this is how we can grow. I use this tissue paper, and on that sprinkle the seeds. Something like this. If you order it online, you can, when the seeds come, just sprinkle them. Spray some water and leave it overnight. This works like a nice poly house for the seeds. Leave it overnight and the next day you can pot it. I had sowed these seeds yesterday, so I'll just show you how to pot them. Yes, okay. The seeds, yeah, once you put them on the soak them overnight, they are easy to germinate. So the next day, just sprinkle the seeds on the soil. Fine. Cover it with a little soil, a very thin layer, not much. Yes, and water it. Keep it aside. After 2-3 days, it will start growing. There will be many plants coming up from this. Select the healthy 5 to 6 and repot them. When they grow almost 3 to 4 centimeters, you can pot them into separate pots. Now we come to the care of the basil plant. Okay, basil needs good sunlight, very good sunlight, at least 3 to 4 hours a day. So place it in a window or anywhere where it gets good 3 to 4 hours of sunlight, which is essential, and it needs good water. So the summer is on, so you can water it every day. And the one rule about basil is when the seeds start coming up, cut the seeds. Because if the seeds start growing, the taste of the leaf changes and also the growth of the leaf is not so much. So simply cut the pods where the seed is going, something like this. This I have removed. And you can put them to dry like this and use it to grow many more plants, which you can gift it also. So bright light, good sunlight, at least 3 to 4 hours a day, good watering, and chop off the seeds. That's the care that you need for basil. Friends, you can use these seeds over your salad dressing also. It smells heavenly. And hope this video was useful, and if you try growing basil, do let me know. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and hit the bell icon to get future notifications. Happy gardening!